Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of some Rosalind dip powders. So let's get right into the video. So the brand Rosalind sent me some dip powders to try out, and this is the packaging it came in. And in the kit, you get a pamphlet, a 100/180 grit file, a brush, and 12 mini dip powders. As you can see at the back of the dip powders, there are instructions. I opened one of the dip powders to show that they all came sealed. I also swatched the dip powders for you all off camera, and these are the dip powders right here. I also showed the dip powders in natural lighting as well, and as you can see, all of the dip powders are really gorgeous. For this design, I'll be using the pink dip powder and the milky white dip powder, and I'll be doing a Valentine's inspired nail design. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone, they both do the same thing. Now I apply 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails, so I apply base to 3/4 of the nail, and then I dip it into my clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and dip into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Now on the ring finger, I'm doing the whole nail with the pink dip powder. So I apply base to the whole nail, and then I poured the pink dip powder on the nail. I did 3 layers of that. So these dip powders are really pretty, and I loved the glitters as well. They were so gorgeous. The only thing is that you need to apply a few layers for the dip powder to reach full opacity. I believe it was on my 3rd layer it reached full opacity, but the colors are really gorgeous and finely milled. They also gave me a discount code to share with you guys. The discount code is only valid for a limited time, so be sure to check that out. It will be in the description below. Now on the pinky nail, I'm doing a baby boomer nail, so I apply base to the whole nail. I was going to do a layer of milky white first, but I changed my mind, so I started by sprinkling the milky white on the tip area and then the pink dip powder on the nail bed area. I did a few layers of that, but I only showed 3 layers. On the index nail, I did the same thing. Now on the middle finger, I'm applying some heart-shaped glitters. So I apply some gel base to adhere them. This has to be cured in the lamp. So I apply a layer of gel base and then I applied my glitter. Then I poured some clear dip powder on the nail and cured for 30 seconds. So I wanted to encapsulate the nail using the base gel to see how it would come out, whether it would be clear or not. So I did about 3 layers with the gel base and then went back to using my dip liquids and clear dip powder because it took too long. So what I can say is that the nail came out a little cloudy, but it wasn't horrible. I still liked it. I'm guessing you wouldn't be able to see the cloudiness if the background was colored. However, encapsulating using gel base is a lot since you have to cure in the lamp. That takes up a lot of time when you're doing 5 and 6 layers of clear. So I encapsulated the nails with a few layers of the clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer and I'm doing it with my dip liquids. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden and then began filing. So this is after filing of the nails. Now I'm applying my Mother Wand's gel glue and gel top coat to my ring finger. And before curing, I placed some rhinestones on the nail. Then I poured some caviar beads on the nail as well and cured for 30 seconds. Now using my Mother Wand's matte top coat, I apply to my index and pinky nail. Then I placed 2 rhinestones on the nail. Then I applied my shiny top coat to my middle nail and cured for 30 seconds. When the nails cooled down, I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail. So the dip powders are really pretty and they are nice to work with and finely milled. So if you like to check them out, I would leave a link to the dip powders in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye guys.